Mata Balak Utkarsh Pratishthan is a non-profit NGO working in drought-prone Sangola Taluka of Solapur district, Maharashtra in India since 1978. It is the organization of women, by women and for women. Mata Balak Utkarsh Pratishthan is a movement of transformation piercing darkness around rural women with self-ignited lights of empathy and pure hearts. Sangola Taluka is underdeveloped and neglected taluka. 70% of its population is agriculture dependent and it is never profitable because the rainfall is scanty and unreliable, about hardly 300 to 400 millimeters per year. Poverty remains the hard fact of life. Struggle for survival takes its toll on education, health, and the worst affected elements being women and children. The chain of suppression and atrocities continues generation after generation, and women with low self-esteem remain bonded and chained to the everlasting suffering. We, the founder members, all women, educated and empathetic, in spite of having no experience of social work, zero bank balance and non-availability of any full-timer volunteer, decided to start working for rural women in 1978. Our focus in 1978 was empowerment of rural women. Our second focus was quality education to rural children, and we started working for it in 1983. With special efforts, water conservation we made the third focus, and we are working for that since 2005. For empowerment of rural women, we have 5 points of action: their health protection, struggle to fight against atrocities and injustice, skill development, financial independence, and awareness about environment. 5 points of action for quality education are development of brain, development of body, development of mind, giving life skills to the students, and using modern teaching techniques. In our hemoglobin assessment free camps, Usha was found to have 6 gram hemoglobin. She was treated by iron-containing tablets and proteins till her hemoglobin became 12 gram%. She is absolutely happy now. This is Varsha. 16 years ago, when she came to MBUP, she was in absolutely tears. Nobody to support her and had 3 children. We gave her training in computer skills, and presently she is our employee working with full heart, and she is writing proposals for us. This is Mangala. She was only 7th passed when she got married. Actually, her dream was to be a teacher, but had no way out to fulfill her dream. We helped her pass SSC, then DED, and then a teacher in our own Utkarsha Vidyalaya. She is narrating about the golden touch of MBUP. Rijwana had no money to treat her own kid. She was helpless, but was helped by our self-help group. She was given money to treat her kid, and then she took loan from the self-help group and sent her husband to Saudi Arabia. She was trained for making snacks, and now she is the owner of a house worth 10 lakhs. Sharada comes from a very poor background. She was forced to be the sarpanch of her village, but she could not even make her own signature. We had a training camp for newly elected women. She joined the camp and she never looked behind. We tried to develop her as a good leader, and then she constructed a bund with our help in her village, motivated the villagers, and the villagers have constructed 5 bunds in the village and made the village totally tanker free. Quality education is our second focus, and we started with it in 1983. Utkarsha Vidyalaya is our school, which is from pre-primary to 10th standard, and pre-primary and middle school are not aided by government. Number of students is about 1000, but most of the students they come from lower middle class families. We try to develop their brain, body, mind by using modern teaching techniques and try to give them life skills as well. This is our sincere effort to shape future of rural India in our classrooms. Namaste. MDUP needs your help. We really need your helping hand. Please donate us.